Ebiem na momfa enche HS kakra ya mo hunu TV ne so no. Nye boapayo momfa nche pa momfa nche why. Na ya ye ho adwuma wie de dese. Ya ti esi ekwamu anesa. Na ene happy birthday wishes nso eho. Ayo ne de mamini kankranka. Yanka se nwua nana ewoku.
Denchempo.
Inshira 104.5 FM. And then birthday.
Yeah, need the shoe, need the
hey, nah.
Ono nana shoe.
Birthday grandma.
Birthday my lazy me.
Kumasi for ye.
Yes, and then the attacking any shoe, need the asoni shoe no.
And I record 4 pieces.
Ja. Obesha se jacket ni na.
Lala. Happy birthday. Enko manyame nhyira. No nyoke so mo akoma so ade emremu emfa emma. Oma no ensiw ye na nwie peyo. And Famau Obra Ubo Emu. So once again, Anna Okuda Chamber of Insha 104.5 FM. Ukuma say happy birthday from Team Badwam in a series show all the best. Then the Kumasi for na Eddie Emia.
Na ye bona baso.
Oh yes.
The zila wa di ejuma. O pepa. Just a one friend wuku say wuku asemasi wa ha. Obiano Embilika. By the next one na no the report abroad. We are so grateful. Yankopon hwe ho na wonhyira no na adwuma na wo ye wonyam mfaso ye need aso na adwuma iso mfaso
that is it
ewade enhu na adwuma pane na koma pa odi ye adwuma na adwuma ye obra wo bre onya so mfaso ya chi bi
adwuma ni na katwia esefata esanse no ho na abedidi
sa
wonhyira adwuma so
uyi kwasi twuma katwia de ma ofiri ho a adwuma we yankasa nhyira wo
oh yes
it comes with its blessing its connection eno na mesere ewade de ama no say onye adwuma we ya 20 years na ye behwehwe na wuku akiri a yes wantumi ansidan yes wo sebi mpredua sa wantumi amobra papa bia ye ka kumase ne asante mantem wadefo in the next 20 years a wo se ye bona na wuku din bi obesesa na busia fortune yes
and brechi wo home dia obeka
yes amen
na me be kira ne sanu adwuma so
amen stories number.
Okay.
Stories number. We do birthday. We need the kind of cake.
Maintain your can.
You say no try cake da. And eja wo try the din kan. E wo kuso we kan wa me ensa na wo betwa.
Yes.
Ntu do three a. Wo be don't worry. Wo try wo third cake a.
E ba man san nyina hu a.
Ye be ma shout out.
Ini ni nyina wo dem. Ba man san hu. Ni enka man san sonte.
Sa sorry shoe.
3 pieces no so bobi.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Yanko ndi se amanyoko no onse de konkon ho asese enne na mpanifo behwe na wakwasem di bia ko se ndi se amanyoko na bato de betumi abaso ochena memene dai anase doctor kwabnadofo court injunction akwaje abeto so no ebe holdi
okay
nti eno na zita wo kai aro no se waye
information
minister asa aye tourism ni we nyina ama Czech Republic redu maybe na ona na ogina mu ma wo mo ewo mayi mu na opanyine se doctor kwabnadofo adwene NDC amanyoko hu da na koma so a ka wontwen anum pempenso we yansa na eka we nyina achi wapese yentu enhya da nti omo no argument a wo raise no
you see this kind of emotional argument ni adiade no would bibia can stop it.
Fight for the democracy
if you don't have anything to say about this stop enye force obekasa NDC the electoral commission called court in 2020 no Nenya kana electoral commission boy they organize elections. Nenya kana parties no contest dey nya no mabo.
Nya no mo file for yan twunku ani mu
because the court ag to mu na kesa call run of nya kana be sabo.
Okay.
Woni bibia kan wasem no stop. Nya necessary say we be comment on.
Papa na nwene amanyoku no.
Na make so talk about the substance of papa na sem work no. Tell us papa na sem work no eni nya so. But no shouldn't be this emotional attachment say odwe your party no one. So that NDC dwe Ghana ho. Awo yenya na Ghana ekoma that time. NDC the Ghana court. Say ka about spending millions of cedis at the end no. And ka call sound call be near sound ko about to okro na so.
You said the judges brebo so.
That is only how much that be cost here as of mine. Even her own political party. For re-campaigning again. Don't know how much be cost the party no. When the BBI can stop it, if you can't discuss the issue, if you say assemble court, what we can watch my and stop this emotional argument that boy. Papa now raise concerns. Much of party constitution.
Are they genuine?
are they genuine or issue a concern a part ni betimi address etimi deal with only as mama obi antes papa ni asem. Let's move on.
But as a more dodgy now, that's what some of
if you think about it, but if you think about it,
are you? I don't know. We end this corner. We more ensem ebi. We say Kobe wo mu bi the crata koma IGP say omanphobia ye wadwen say primary so be cause confusion. In fact, ye nyina pass from dey ntu hu bibi say anu ati aposi drowning of 9 people. Edward blames GS Education Ministry and about 2 months ago, 2 to 3 months. And also so fra so and no adesuafo nkwada sa akodo okaka muntum ye and enum penimfo di mirika ko ni ebusa na life jacket o and afofra asan SCA so this and more and adomonline.com entertainment wo mu bi my so nsam ni nyina bi ewo ho
Banfa Daily Graphic and the Wakata Odo Abanso and to also President Adom Akufo Addo, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Nifoni Ewaha, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Abu Jinapo Elsufoni Ewaha, Asantima Poni this year, Adom. Ghana to reap full benefit from lithium. President Akufo Addo pledges at Graphic Dialogue. SNIT expands coverage to self-employed. Commit to environmental action for sustainable future. Graphic Managing Director na Eka saying, natural resources must be managed responsibly. Where graphic for and some more team Eriaba and Anope. The Chronicle and so any ex-Nigeria convict jailed 8 years for impersonating COP Mamitiwa on Facebook and duping police personnel. Please focus on the Ebu. New GNPC headquarters entered the nearest completion. Military provides security for Chinese to break the law. The Chronicle and so no. But share daily guide the Wakata and so. Tragedy at Wager. 9 school kids drown. At 2 Asians freedom in limbo. Adjo Safo returns to NPP. Baumia impressed with GNPC Takrade head a project. Nana calls for unity in Galamsey fight. Daily guide and so no. The finder the Bokata and so any. Ghana to stop exporting raw minerals. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Eka saying. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia impressed with progress of work on the GNPC operational office. Banking sector solvent strong to support economic growth. Bank of Ghana so Ena Eka saying. 9 kills die in Botiana Fana canoe disaster. The finder and so they buy and Ajwa.
Ebusia yakwane yaka wo se na ye fiada na ye boja ye ntino ho se pebeba na afi asemi di kan ba na afi atena stem komo ho na yedidi na menka wo se agwakansie mu nsem nso beba na ne se de akwasi di kan eka ye no kojo opon kroma beji adwa na wo mo aye mpensempensem ye wi a free na ho kono na se enapa ye etwaso amawo ye basisia